Singapore, the authorities will be reviewing the product safety requirements of personal mobility devices, PMDs, such as e-scooters, which currently do not need to be type tested and certified compliant before they are sold in Singapore. This was announced by Spring Singapore and the Land Transport Authority, LTA, in a joint statement on Thursday, November 16, in response to queries from the Straits Times. It comes after more fires involving e-scooters and electric bicycles were recorded this year. Between January and September, the number of fires rose to 31, up from 19 in the same period last year, 2016. There were 3 such fires in the past month, 2 of which took place last week. Experts have said that cheap batteries, which are of inferior quality and can easily overheat, could have caused the recent fires. Unbranded batteries can be bought for as little as $60 compared to batteries from reputable brands that cost between $200 and $300. Most PMDs use lithium-ion batteries. However, lithium-ion batteries have a higher chance of failure when used in PMDs compared to other devices. This is because the battery cells are subjected to external factors such as high humidity, dust, and vibration. Faulty batteries or those of poor quality may not stop charging even though it is full, and such overcharging can contribute to fire risks. Currently, safety guidelines for the use of PMDs only cover their usage in terms of weight, width, and speed under the Active Mobility Act. They can have a maximum unladen weight of 20 kilograms, a maximum device speed of 25 km/h, and a maximum width of 70 centimeters. There are no safety requirements for batteries in PMDs, though power adapters, which are used for charging PMDs, have to be certified and carry Spring Singapore safety mark before they are sold in Singapore. Spring Singapore and LTA did not indicate when the review is expected to start, or how long it will take. But experts say the new requirements could address the issue of fire safety besides general guidelines currently in place. Dr. So Chu Beng, Deputy Director of the Electrical Power Engineering Program at the Singapore Institute of Technology, said battery packs of PMDs could be required to undergo electrical testing. For example, an overcharge test will tell whether a battery pack will rupture or explode if there is overcharging. A temperature test will make sure that the component cell batteries can maintain their operating currents, voltage, and temperature limits during charging. Professor Rahid Yazami of the Energy Research Institute at Nanyang Technological University said that while it is difficult to pinpoint factors that contribute to fire risks in PMDs, batteries could in future be required to be able to cut off charging when the battery temperature climbs above 60 degrees Celsius. It becomes riskier when the temperature goes beyond that, he said. Mr. Lim Bio Chuan, who sits on the Government Parliamentary Committee for Transport, said he hopes the review would include requirements for PMDs to be certified compliant and to be registered with the authorities in the future. Under new rules, only owners of power-assisted bicycles are required to register them with the LTA.